Hello and welcome everyone to the GoLang tutorial series. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. So let's begin with tutorial. Today we are going to learn on managing module sources. Two of the important topics would be organizing code in the repository as well as choosing repository scope, sourcing one module per repository or sourcing multiple modules in a single repository. So let us start with how Go tools find your published module. For example, go get command. So when a developer uses go get command to get source code for packages, their code imports the command and does the following. Here it is shown how go get command works. Similar way, other commands like go install and go mode td also uses some of this to get the things done. First is from the import statement in the Go source code, the package path is mentioned. It can find module path from there. For example, let's say you have this directory or module and there is some package called auth. Now, if you are importing it somewhere like this, package path is module path slash package name. So it can find the module path from the import statement or the package. Secondly, using a URL derived from the module path, the command locates the module source on a module proxy server or at its repository directly. So once it finds the module path, it can locate the module using URL https://github.com/some user/module. And then to locate source for the module version, it uses the repository tag. So go get locates the repository tag or the version matching the module version in the go get command. If the version is not mentioned, then it will pull the latest release version. And last, retrieves module source and download it to the developer's local machine cache. These are the things that the Go does. Now coming to the part organizing code in the repository. So let's say this is the module and these are the files. Note here go.mode is present as we have earlier specified what are the uses of go.mode. Now coming to the part go.sum. So what is this go.sum? Go.sum contains cryptographic hashes that represent the module dependencies. Go tools uses these hashes to authenticate downloaded modules. So whenever downloading modules or if the modules are downloaded, it need to confirm that the downloaded module is authentic and it will use some cryptographic hashes for that. If the confirmation fails, Go will display a security error. The file will be empty or not present when there are no dependency. You shouldn't edit this except by using go mode td command, which removes unneeded entries. This can be maintained by go mode td command. You do not need to manage go.sum by yourself. Now choosing repository scope. Sourcing one module per repository or sourcing multiple modules or keeping multiple modules in a single repository. First would be sourcing one module per repository that we have discussed earlier as well. So we have had multiple examples of keeping a module in a single repository as discussed in organizing a Go module. Now coming to the part sourcing multiple modules in a single repository. The things to be kept in mind is, let's say you have repository name example.com/mymodules. Now you want to keep multiple module, let's say module 1 and module 2 in this repository. Now the module path would be repository name here example.com/mymodule slash your module path /module 1. So complete path would be your module name. So that is mentioned over here. Module path would be example.com/mymodule module 1. Now the version for publishing a module, you need to tag the version with your module name /version. Earlier, in single module per repository, then you have used version only. But here, since there are multiple modules in single repository, you have to maintain tags for multiple modules. So that's why you have to add the module name in front of tag module slash this. So the module would be published using this complete version. Okay. Now in go mode, whenever required directive is used, it means that we are somehow using this module in our code as a dependency. So it will fetch the code from the URL present over here, and the version fetched would be this one, v1.2.3. This required directive in our previous example, greetings and hello, when we were using greetings locally, we type the command go mode td, it automatically added the required module and the sudo version over here. But in this case, when you have published module, you can use the complete version tag. And the package path would be your module path, new module path. Basically, that would be repository name slash module 1 slash the package name. Okay, so suppose you want package 1 from module 1. So this is the module path. You have to attach the package name slash package 1. Yeah, that's for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment your queries in the section below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. Thank you.